Welcome to Who's the Fastest Computer Builder in Hunter Business School. We have over here Hitman. We have Victor. Alright, guys, when I say go, who's timing? Who's watching? Who's timing it?
Who's timing it?
Who's timing it?
Hello? So you got the timer right here?
When do I start it?
Be quiet, we are being recorded.
Boys, are you guys gonna go? You going by? Yes, we're going by.
Halftime show. Beyonce?
Ready?
Hang on. You want one shot, one for the other?
That's it. Okay, we can do that. Yeah, we can do that. Yeah, we have one already. Oh, you start. Me and you start. You start for JP. I got JP. Ready? Set. Go.
Y comenzado el partido. Indicando que este comenzó.
Can't speak in English, dumbass.
Well, ladies and gentlemen, we have started. We got Victor on the left and Pope on the right.
Very well.
Well, Steve, how do you feel?
I'm on Pope's side right now, trying to see who is fastest.
Here, pass it around.
We got versing yes, old ass senior leader. Tomorrow.
One word.
He's just a hater, bro.
I think we have a very even match.
That usually doesn't happen.
Very
until
good.
you're in your 40s.
So it looks like Victor on the left is actually on the lead right now, but he's looking like he's pretty, he's pretty much struggling right now. He's pretty
busy.
I think the nerves are getting to him, don't you think, Steve?
Yeah, hell yeah.
His batteries are dead. He's like, getting up close to see what's going on.
I don't know,
feels the
I think
pressure.
he's pretty locked in, but Pope on the other hand, and not one foot is breaking, isn't it?
I don't know.
Oh, he's angry.
Oh, he's not breaking us, right? Yeah, I do. I'm not talking much.
He's moving fast, but he's not getting much done.
Yeah, he is. Sounds like another hater to me, huh, Pope?
Oh, yes.
Lock in, man.
Well,
Pope is in the lead.
it's a very hard matchup right now. I don't know who will win.
Yeah, you suck at this too. I guess I'm gonna be doing the rest of the conversation.
My God, in the first.
Oh no, Victor!
Oh, we got the power supply out with Pope.
Well, JP finally got the power supply.
Oh,
out.
he's
Victor-
ahead.
Oh, Victor,
Hold my
you can't
phone.
keep looking at the competition, man. You're gonna get folded, man. You know,
I love you.
you think after experience, they would be a bit quicker with this.
Yeah.
don't you
Sir,
think?
you know what I heard
Yeah,
about?
they're not very consistent.
You know what I heard about?
But I think Victor could still win. Just like Madrid, they'll just rob the trophy anyway.
Oh.
Don't you think so?
Oh no, no.
Victor said he made 5 computers, so he has more experience.
He should have more
Oh, Victor got the
experience.
motherboard out.
But then again, Pope is older.
Yes, Pope
He's
is
been at
older.
this tech shit for who knows how long.
He is a vet. He is a vet, and Victor is a rookie. He's a rookie.
Even the underdog can still win sometimes.
Yeah, and the underdog could win. Yeah.
Yo, man, you really need to get a new job. This commentating shit ain't for you.
Yeah, it is.
I'm done, bro. Yeah.
It stopped?
Yeah, it caps it.
Bro, that
Well,
was
this is still recording,
comedy
so it's
gold,
fine.
bro.
This hears it, so we're just gonna do a post-game interview on this.
Yeah.
And Victor continues.
I'm looking for a new partner after this.
The winner of this competition will verse the man over there. Oh, look how concentrated he is. He's not even folding. He's just observing his competition. Just looking at him.
Also, did you see that power supply come out?
It's out right now.
Out on the table.
The power supply comes out.
What a hater.
Wow. The competition did not like that one.
Something tells me he's a Madrid fan.
Yeah. He's from Boston. It's very silent.
So, hey, man, what is it you're working on right now?
I'm putting in my motherboard right now.
This is just like the Liverpool Spurs final. Boring as shit.
Screws into the case. And I also forgot to put in my end dot too.
What about you, Victor?
Victor, what is it you're working on right now?
Screwing in the power supply.
And what's gonna be possible your next outcome after that?
Unseat all this.
I think JP may be done.
Hopefully you're not damaging the motherboard.
A lot of competition. Ah, woo! Sorry.
It's not creepy at all.
No, just a little bit.
I'm gonna go away. I'm sorry. I'm gonna get away.
Who would you say is in the lead right now, Angel?
You know, I used to watch soccer games, and now I'm watching this.
Did he remove his RAM and his M.2?
Yeah, he did.
Okay.
You were both?
Hate won't win on this one, man. I'm telling you.
No, because he had everything on that side.
Hey,
Everything should go in the middle.
it's pregame trash talk.
Been in the middle recording. You're the challenger. You just observe it. You can't say anything.
I can ask questions.
Oh. I think we're alone now. I can't tell who's on the lead, but who do you think is in the lead right now, Angel?
JP.
Some people that
JP's gotta be done, you know.
Oh, you're right.
Yo, Victor, you need a crunch time, bro. It's crunch time, game. This look like experience wins this one.
Yeah, experience. The veteran. It's silent. I like it.
You know what they say. Every veteran was once a rookie, but not every rookie becomes a vet.
What 21 Savage said? You're a rookie.
I'm a vet.
Exactly.
The 21 Savage is pussy, so.
Yeah. He's also from the UK.
We don't fuck with crumpets.
So, man, are you going for wire management at the same time?
Yes, I am, sir.
Good man.
Just playing with his competition now.
Has to look lovely. Can't have those.
Might as well call Victor an alphabet soup the way he's just playing with him.
And everything.
Bo gonna give him food, baby food later.
Damn.
He accepts defeat. And there he goes. By himself.
It's looking like my parlay didn't hit tonight, huh? It's looking like the mechanical screwdriver didn't put in much pain tonight.
I don't know. They didn't charge it enough.
Time.
626.
626.
I forgot to
For
charge
Pope.
my screwdriver. Excuses. It's true.
Wow.
You know, it's still a screwdriver.
Oh.
So your excuse is yours didn't do the work for you.
Exactly.
He didn't have a battery operated screwdriver, so you essentially had the same tool.
Well, I sat there for like the whole
So
taking them
your
out.
excuse
This one has
is
you
with the
recorded.
same tool.
Don't let
Sí habla.
Keep going, keep going, keep going.
Psych you out.
No.
Remember, he's the
Don't let
competition.
me.
He's the competition. Don't
No,
let him
I'm
psych you
not.
out.
He was.
You got this.
Yo, JP, I think
No,
we
he
speak for the
clearly
all our
doesn't
class.
have
You better smoke this
He
dude,
does.
bro.
No, he doesn't.
Yes, he does.
No, he doesn't.
Trust me, he does.
The only
That's
way
why
he
he's being
doesn't.
silent right now.
The only way he
He's
doesn't is if that
he's
one doesn't turn
focusing.
back
Oh,
on.
Focusing.
Okay, so then I shouldn't be throwing him
Victor,
off.
continue.
No, after he finished, I'm pretty much.
Yeah,
slowed
the
down.
only way he wins is if that doesn't turn on.
Yeah.
Because
Oh, so Victor, go.
turn it on.
Run, Ricky, run.
We gotta wait. No, we
We gotta wait. Who's to say he
How
won't
long
fix
are
the
we gonna
problem while he's trying to turn it on?
We're
Now I'm
here
just
in a
trying to
half
focus,
hour.
win by default, make sure nothing's
No,
wrong.
come on, we gotta have this table put away in a half hour.
Bro, who's to say if he goes in there, it doesn't turn on, and he just fixes the
Miss him?
problem, and he's still not done, and then by the time he tests him, he's actually turns
We on
on.
camera, so I can't say anything.
Nothing you haven't told me.
And, well, we can say that Pope swept his competition today.
Oh yeah, in other words, we can say he blessed it.
He blessed him.
No.
He baptized him.
You know, I think in some countries that's an offense.
And that is an offense. I'm sorry about that. Please don't cancel
They
me.
say in England, that right there is a violation. Person,
No.
yo, fire commentary, bro. Come on, sign me up for the commentary.
He couldn't do a rainy day at Stokes.
He is, too.
Are they sure with me?
Doesn't matter. He already won.
'Cause I don't know. 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 'Cause I don't know.
What?
Oye, chico.
You know
Oye, chico.
I was trying.
Yo, should we interview him right now?
He's timing in. Hey, it's been like fucking 10 minutes. What?
Yo, come on, Victor. Finish off strong. Pause.
Come on.
Just double check.
Finish off strong. Pause.
Everything's done. I'm just making sure.
Bro, don't let him get in your
You
head,
can still
bro.
win by
That's
default.
right, don't let him.
Exactly.
Word.
Start.
Exactly.
I'm not the problem. The guy across the table standing there waiting for him to finish is the problem.
I'm not the problem. I'm the solution.
He didn't know what he was doing.
He is your competition.
And I do also have an electric screwdriver, but I chose to use manual.
Yeah, well, no one likes to show off, JP. Anyways.
I'm not showing off, but I didn't want that to be my problem.
And he knows he
And plus,
won.
it's a lot bigger.
Oh.
It works
Oh.
better 'cause
Uy.
it's got
Oi. Oi. You like a smaller. Oi.
easier
Qué goloso.
angle.
Oi.
All right. Wake up and kill the clock.
Time.
9:29.
All right, 3 minutes later. It's all good.
Okay, now we
Still got it done.
gotta see the plug-in.
Good job.
The plug in.
Good job.
Plug in.